Hello kids, do you know which letter is this? This is letter M. The phonic sound of M is M. Mango, the king of fruits. Mouse, mouse. Monkey, monkey likes eat bananas. Moon, chanda mama, moon. Milk. Milk is a rich source of calcium which is good for our bones and teeth. Mat. जहाँ पे आप बैठ के खेलते हो. Mop. Your mama using mop to clean your house. Man. Your father is a good man. Mouth. From where you eat foods. Mask. Mask. Now it's your turn. Tell me which letter is this?
This is M. Mango. Moon. Mask. Mat. Mouse. Man. Mop. Monkey. Milk.
Very good, kids. You all are doing very good work at home. Thank you.